It'd be too far away.
Hey, birdie.
No, that's alright.
Have fun, birdie.
Did you see how fast she was after that thing?
I didn't catch her going for it. I didn't even know.
As soon as you lifted that bag, she was over there. It peeped once, and then she was on it.
Oh, my gosh.
Better than a cat.
Yeah, I'll say. Not a very big one, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's... Oh, God, it's going down in one zone.
No, you won't. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no.
That's truly terrifying. Ugh.
Okay, enough of that at home. The cat ate a chipmunk the other day, and then the read positive on the report.